All right, this is going to be that great space saver, but is going to help you bring those clothes around, because who doesn't have to do laundry? I know I certainly do. It's piling up at my house right now. This is from Honey Can Do. It is a set of 2 collapsible laundry baskets. Clearance price, $24.99. It was $37. You're saving $12 today. And these break down to about $12 and change per basket. But you can use them over and over again. We've got some great color options for you, but this is awesome because it closes down, that's the right word, into almost nothing, as you can see, but they are huge when it comes to the space. Now, this is your navy option. Then we have a gray down here. And then right over here, we have our white option. 3 easy payments of $8.33 will get this home, whether it is the clothes, as we have in here, or you want to use it for the toys or the sports equipment, or, you have those college kids who are bringing their laundry home with you, or you live in an apartment where you have to take your laundry down a flight of steps. This is a great way to save that space, get that substantial size basket, but then break it away. You can store this under the bed, you can store it in the closet, you can put this in between the washer and dryer. My washer and dryer stack up and down, so this is great for that side, for the closet it's in. And the fact that you're getting 2 of them that you can use over and over again. It is from Honey Can Do. That is a brand that we have brought here to QVC to help with our list of things to do. And this really is that great way. The fact that you're getting 2 of these, put your clean laundry in one, put your dirty laundry in the other. Clearance price of $24.99. You have those great color options again, and you are saving $12 today. So pick this up because it is something that you always think about the second you need it. Be proactive and pick up something that truly will make life a little bit easier. I am John Badalise. I hope you stick around with me because I have a full hour after this of gardening. All of the great clearance gardening items that you will need when the warmer weather comes. Do not go anywhere. I will see you very, very soon.